Today we're diving into a classic from the DSLR era, the Canon EOS 20D. Design build, the 20D features a magnesium alloy body, giving it a robust and premium feel. It weighs around 770 grams with battery, making it solid in hand but not overly heavy. The grip is deep and comfortable, and button placement is intuitive, very much Canon style. Sensor image quality. Inside, you'll find an 8.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 2 processor. For its time, this combo delivered excellent sharpness and color rendition. But under good light, the images from the 20D still hold up surprisingly well, especially for web use or prints up to 11 by 14 inches. Battery life storage. Battery life is solid, around 700 shots per charge with the BP511A battery. The camera supports up to 8 GB officially, but many users report using higher capacity CF cards with FAT32 formatting. Video quality. Nope, there's no video recording on the Canon 20D. This was a stills-only camera, back when DSLRs hadn't yet crossed into the hybrid realm. Thank you so much.